Well, hello everybody. If you don't know today, Jan is getting a new exhaust. He's getting a Tomei, so not only is this all gonna come together and the bumper protections look really good with the Tomei, he's gonna sound a lot more better too. And if you saw my last video, we got the test pipes installed, but it sounds kind of raspy in a way. So this Tomei should fix that and sound very nice. Stickers, license plate.
This was 100, 200, 300, 400.
All that amounts to $1,000. See, he actually paid for the license plate and the stickers instead of
the exhaust was free. The stickers and shit you paid for this.
Yeah, because that's like
it's the name.
1,000. Yep. 1,200. But it came with a free Tomei. Like an exhaust.
Yeah. He didn't pay for the exhaust. He paid for the stickers.
So here's Jan's new Tomei, these three parts.
Go to the clamp part.
And then there's that muffler delete he had. We're about to put this on and see how it sounds while Mr. Jaydon puts on his NVIDIA stuff. Hey, you see the other hanger?
Thrust. Hi, puppy.
Hey.
Thrust. You didn't thrust. You gotta thrust. Oh. Hi, puppy. Hi. What the fuck? Hi.
Slip in. Huh? You wanted to slip in?
You are the campeón.
Go get those. Arigato. Jan, go get those tension spring shit.
Oh, it just goes like this?
Or well, like you gotta connect them.
Like it goes in, right?
Connect them, yeah.
What the fuck? How's it going?
Almost done.
No, I don't.
Oh shit. Look how secure that is.
Yeah. Told you.
Fuck off, pussy.
Can you push the hanger in? Push it in.
Push the other hand. I'm holding it up.
Push it in. No, the hanger.
What?
Jaydon! Fucking hangers. You didn't lube it up?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Yeah?
You fucking missed.
Oh. Ew, Tomei. Tomei juice.
Jan, there's a guy in here.
And you see the guy with the foot, he smiled. You see him?
Is this even on right? Look at this, it's about to pop off.
No, it's not on right. What the
No,
fuck
like
is
the
that?
hanger itself.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you, fix the hanger and then this shit will work. I said, give me 5 minutes.
How many idiot they take to put Tomei on? Take 4. Wait, Jan, is your...
What?
Is that your exhaust?
No, Jan. Is your car on? Wait, shh. Is your car on right now?
No.
I'm gonna shit myself.
Okay.
Oh, there it is. Shit.
There's no way a rubber piece is stronger than a bolt.
Jan, search it up.
It's
bro.
stronger than a
Why
bolt.
would they give you this?
Okay.
Why would this go
$10, it's this bolt.
Your whole Tomei, it's that bolt.
Okay. Just start the car. Oh, it looks like it doesn't matter. Start the car.
Like when I work on cars,
You're making this harder than
you can't have a shitty fucking car with shitty parts on it, man. You need to do the shit.
Why would
your car is shitty. It's stock as fuck.
It's not that bad. When you step on it, you go crazy though.
Like the startup is quiet.
No, well, that's when you start driving.
When I started driving, I just think
Why you do that with every exhaust? In your car, you did that too. I always put my hand in there.
Fist test?
Oh, wait, you put your fist in? Hard no.
Really? It's not loud? It's not as loud? Bro, you're so loud. How do you adjust this?
It's quieter. Well, it's more tone.
I don't feel like it's quieter.
It's quieter.
You really feel like you're quieter?
Yeah, it's actually quieter.
Yeah, I mean, you've been driving it longer. Or like with the... Was that 3K? RPM?
Yeah. It's quieter.
It's so loud, man. I want a Tomei
I thought it was gonna be louder.
Huh?
I thought it was gonna be louder.
That was gonna be louder? I think your test pipes make a big difference.
Yeah. It's quieter.
It is?
It's a lot quieter.
Sounds a lot cleaner too from like out here. Like a lot cleaner.
Does it sound deeper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds like,
sounds deeper?
it sounds clean.
It's no rasp. That's why I'm telling you the test pipe's no rasp.
Fuck.
You get that? You know, 6.